uthando sibonge for the support. So njengenjwayelo ke ngiyazi ke into esize ngayo la sisinceda abantu bathatha sibabuyisele emakhaya. So namhlanje ke sila eFerrinaging kunomfethu le ntwana yami la bona uDevza unenkinga ukuthi abuyele ekhaya. So ke thina sithi njengeshow awuthi lapho somtakule simbuyisele ekhaya. Awuthi ngathi story sakho ukuthi sihamba kanjani. Basinanya la. Athi sicole ngayo. Follow me. Ntwana, yebo. Wala Devza? Fedi ntwana yami? Grand. Yeah, sure. Anyakuze ntwana yami nje ubukhala uthi ufuna ukuthi sikusize as ishow ne. Sibuyisele ekhaya, understand? Singakwenza lokho si stress yabona. Mara manje into eyi-one efuna ukuyazi ukuthi kahle kahle uze uvaye eJardini usithole sowula estradini somuntu ohlala estradini unganakhaya. Kwenzakaleni bro?
Okay, ukuthi ngisithole lapha estradini ukuthi inkinga yini lesidakamizwa. So sometimes if ever ngingenamali ngimosha ekhaya ngithatha izinto zabantu ekhaya ngisidayisa babuye second bangiqolele ngithathe futhi babuye second bangiqolele sometimes bangiqoshile singalala estadini amajitini poundweni zamajita ngiyagobala la so until ke bona hore ai mona wa tseking e ke ku drop ne kitla like kita kia hae late kia hae sing kia tsuwa kita toropu so didenye ki bona young cost amanzi sing bone ngathi singijwela amajita suthi ukuthi singa khona ukuthi ebalibali emakopa ngirobatse ka usane kita tswa ki relo zama ki ba bona ku sing relo zama jwala until ke tloela ho dula mo hae mo strateng mo.
Sure. So awutshele elizana ekhaya uphuma khona nebohlala nabantu abazali basasekhona.
Abazali abasekho.
Basekho abazali. Uhlala nobani ekhaya?
Ekhaya uncle lami nomfazi wakhe nabantwana la. So in the past few months ago we just buried my grandmother. You see, she was the one who was like my guardian and everything, you see. So after she passed away, then things get turned a bit. But they are still turn a bit like akusakhona ukuthi ngidle endlini sometimes banjela ukuthi ukudla kukho asisebenzi lapha ekhaya ngikilwa so and then kimani mo happy si decide ukuthi ifuthi lapha mo starting man wathwana mo jardin tsiketsa nthiwane tshwana le ku strating okay sokola dijo sokola metsi a bo hlapa bo eng a bo eng.
So ukale nini ukubheka after kushona kwabazali bakho uthobela kasekho la
ethama
so manje yini drive lapha ukuthi uzibheke
ukubhema siqale uthema lama sesekhona asaphila yazi ithile like peer pressure yini angazi because I was maybe in grade 10 grade 10 maybe started using drugs grade 10 about December time. I'm doing my grade 11 smoking drugs, ending my grade 11 sharp. My grade 12 I didn't wrote my trial.
So grade 12 figure away?
Yeah, grade 12 figure. Angapasang because ngibale January first term, second term, third term mele ngibhale ngisengi addicted kakhulu angisathemba isigela kahle.
Ayimfisi. Manje yabona i-problem i-one lapha ne ukuthi yabona baningi abantu abanjengahlanganile lapho bafuna ukubuyela emakhaya, understand? And most of them babuyela emakhaya because mhlawumbe ngoba ama-conditions wasestradini awasabafaith, understand? But okay nyaka nasona ngobuyela ekhaya ngama-conditions wasestradini awasakufaith mara mawufika ekhaya ke, understand? Ukuthi bazotrust kanjani wena because if still usabehave the very usabehave njengalo muntu lo wakudala yabona owenza ukuthi azava ekhaya because bona baxoshanga ubaxoshile ekhaya before
baxoshanga
ngithi wosiqoshile so manje yini ezoba convince ukuthi manje ufuna ukuchange
Uthi maybe osahlala phansi nabo ngixolise ukuthi hayi mna yonke into engiyenzile ngicela ngixolele ngayo ne. So manje serious ngifuna ukuthi ngikhwide ngiphume kule mpilo lesidakamizwa.
Also wena uriyile for ukushintsha uriyile for ukuyela ama-drugs.
I've been ready so long. Yeah? Since I've been ready so long.
Mana mina bangibheka ngibona ukuthi usabhemile manje. Ngawuzile for now.
Fanele ngikawuzile ngaze ngithi ngeke usurvive ngithi kuseni mavuka sima-cravings siyagula
ama-down baby and allows through
like awukhona ukukhupha kilo bona
nami unangaki wena awulayo
manje I'm 32 years
32 yabo sokhotha kanjani for ukuphila impilo ephilayo uyi-example enjani uyabona abantwana bakamalume akho basazobuza ukhawuthekile vele ngiyabona ama-Kingsticks
ngikhawathi yakhona lapha etawuni ngase uthi like abantu nyala abasuthu laba bayanisukela bathi ngithathe into yabo lo like ikhopha yabona kuyabona. Then they started to chasing me then bantshwara they drive me that side by the riverside. So they wanted to throw me in the river, then they checkpola like a matter. So then jump mo borokgong ke jumpela mo fatshe.
U jump from building phezulu?
Yeah, it was a bit high man.
Manje why am I special?
Yeah, ngaye eBhaka bangoperate eBhaka. Ahlala maybe 3 months 3 weeks angisakhumbula kahle. Ngifike isikhathi seside.
So into enile this year last year
he was maybe 2021.
It's a fresh most. Also manje ekhaba yazi
abayazi
wona mina only thing esokunceda ngayo sure wena ukuthi uthathe isuku ekhaya understand but angeke sifike try so convince abazali bakho wena so guy platform ukuthi wona usikhulumele and usikhulumele uzibophe wena ukuthi angeke usayiphile le mpilo yakho bephila before understand. I hope angeke udisappoint football wami ngiyabuya ilanga ngithola usasela futhi strategy awuthi sami sowabona ke sibone ukuthi singakhulumisana nabo kanjani. Ready? You promise to change the problem. See. Medication in Spanish.
Medication is since last month. Maybe get to go high, go back,
Sorry. What on the sun?
Go fair and two no gains in that's a hotel. I give a hundred, get a little tifats and I give a motel happy, hotel and my do.
To be honest, what about the wizzy guy? What about Leia?
Are you so I change
So very much as I also follow this about things on my chairs. Some cafe oh, full space. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, all right, sure. Go on, Dodge. Comment je vois pas d'ailleurs, j'ai un fan d'artiste. C'est pas pareil, j'ai Vou pegar a minha na cena do escola aí, mas eu vou apanhar da para os que não conhecem.
Eles falam a macei da para.
A macei. O de câmera cubana bicho.
O devo.
O tempo não. Mas o bicho.
O bicho.
Oh, na ali acho que foi eu para na nossa fuga do Musanyana. Aí eu vou botar chat no estúdio lá. Ah, ninguém na.
Eu fui nas cachaça.
Ah, a cachaça ali para mim é as.
Não, nem por inclusive.
Mas não ganhar mas não vamos fazer o cheiro ainda ganhar os é para ser lá para força agora não sei mas agora tá tendo o moro que caiu né moro foi se maria fechou não show agora feira bari tá que teve